Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to book your PTE exam. So before you booking your PTE exam, just go to the PTE website by typing PTE in Google. Then this link, go to this link. It's the PSN official website, PTE, PSN PTE. Just click it there. Then it will direct you to the PTE official website. Yeah, then you have the book a test button there, but before booking a test you have to create your account. So for that press sign in. So this button, sign in or create account, just go there. Then it will load the separate screen. Yeah, then I have the account already, so for you guys just go sign in. Yeah. Then give your email address. Username can be same as your email address. Then it will give you some fake mail address for the demonstration purposes at gmail.com. So make it the same. Then password, you have to give the password according to your preference. And there are some guidelines. It should have 8 to 40 letters. It should contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, special characters. So according to that, can give some fake password for our demonstration purposes and just press the continue button. Yeah, so this is actually the most important part. Here it asks your first name, last name or family name, date of birth and country of residence here. And this should be exactly according to the details appear in your passport. So basically first name in our passport, in Sri Lankan passport, it appears as other names. So whatever in our passport as other names, you have to type it here under first name. Then last name or family name, it's in our passport, it appears as surname or family name. So you have to give it accordingly as per the password. It should match exactly, otherwise they will not allow you to sit for the exam. Then date of birth should be as per the passport and country of residence should be Sri Lanka. Then you can select to you can prefer to, if you want, you can select these two buttons. Then just press create account. Then it will create your account. Then you can go back to this window. Then you can go for your exam booking. Oh, okay, where you want to go? When you press exam, it asks where you want to go. Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, United States. I'm not sure another country likewise. So here, so for the demonstration purpose, I just select Australia because most of our students are planning to go to Australia. Then study, work, join family, migrate, what. So for the demonstration, I just study. Hold on. Okay. Check availability and book. Then according to the countries you have selected, the country you want to move and your purpose, it select the relevant exam automatically. So you don't have to go for other option where you search and select. Just select that option, so it will direct you to the automatic. It will automatically direct to the relevant exam. Okay, location Sri Lanka. Then search location. In Sri Lanka, actually there are 4 exam centers. ICBT Kandy, knowledge merchandising, there are 3 centers from knowledge merchandising. One at Landmark Building, one at Unit Plaza, and other one is at other one is Mount Lavinia. So these are the 3 exam centers, 4 exam centers you are having in Sri Lanka. So other closest one is in Cochin. So if you are planning to travel to, if you want to go to India and do the exam, yeah, that is also possible. Okay, so here you have to select a date. In these 2 centers, they have selected date automatically. I'll tell you why. Because in February, but none of these centers, I mean Candy Center or Landmark Building Center, they are full booked for the month. So no, yeah, Landmark Building, there is a date. So this is, they are automatically selecting the closest available date in the relevant exam center. Okay, so you can select that date, or let's say we are going to the March. Yeah, in March, let's say we want to book in Candy. So March, you can see all the available dates. So let's say you want to do exam on 5th. When you press 5th, it will give you available slots 3 p.m. Only 3 p.m. slot is available. Okay, so 8. 8 yeah, 2 slots are available, 12:15 and 3 p.m. slot. To show you available slots, let's take 29th of March. So you can see there are 3 slots available, 9:15, 12:15 a.m., 3 p.m. So you can select any date and any time like this. Let's take from Colombo Center this month. February, I think is available. So this one, okay, 29th of February is available. Let's see what are the time. Okay, 6 days. See, all the time slots are available here. Okay. As example, let's say we want to do exam at 11:30 a.m. Select the time and just press the book button. Okay. Yeah. Now it says review. It says review your choice. So it gives all the details which you just selected. Date, start time, and the length. It's 120. It's basically 2 hours exam. Location, everything is given there. So here also you can change the appointment. I mean, you can change the date and time and change the test center. So changes can still be done. So then you press sign in or create full profile. Okay. So I'll just log in since I have my my login already created. So I'll just log in. Okay, I just give my password, press remember me and log in. See, please check your details are complete, correct and match your official ID. Any incorrect details will prevent you from being admitted to the test center. So that's why I told you it's very important to match your passport details and the details given here. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, now it gives my details. Go down, it gives all my details. So I just skip this. I will just press next button since all my details are there. Then my address, phone number, everything is there. So they need to ask, are you ready to book today without special test arrangements? So if you want some special test arrangements, so if you will need, then in that case you will need to contact them separately. Okay. Then since I don't need any special arrangement, so I just press yes button and I'm saving and continue booking. Okay, here this is also very important. What language do you speak mostly at home? Yeah, see, there are a lot of, I mean, there are almost all the languages spoken in the world. This is very important. If you are Sinhalese person, you have to select Sinhalese. If you are, I mean, if you are speaking Sinhalese at home, you have to select Sinhalese. If you are speaking Tamil at home, you have to select Tamil. Why? Because in this exam, you will be assessed according to your mother tongue. Because according to mother tongue, there are some pronunciation difficulty. There are always pronunciation difficulty according to mother tongue. Okay, so this exam will understand and assess you accordingly. So because of that, selecting the correct language is very important. Okay, then so your identification document, you must bring a valid ID on the test day. Basically, this is your passport. You have to bring your passport. If you don't have a passport, please read the ID policy. If we to see if we can accept your ID. So basically, I believe you should have your passport first, then enter for this exam. So ID policy. This is ID policy. You have to read the ID policy. Yeah, code reference number. You see, if you have asked to give any code reference number, you have to give it. So since so far we have not asked any code reference, so we can just leave it there. And sharing of data, I agree. Terms of conditions we have to read. Yeah, to support my visa plan, I continue to PSN to sending my score to Yeah, both Australia and New Zealand, because it's almost similar. Even though we have asked for Australia, they are giving us option for New Zealand as well. So just click the both. How do you hear about PTE exam? So here I'll get friends or family. Otherwise, otherwise we'll have to give some more information, right? Education, and if you like, they will ask who the education agent and all that. So if you be honest, I mean, it's better to be honest, so some credit goes to them as well. So in my case, it's friends and family. I just select friends and family. Then it's again, it's at which country you are planning to study, work, or settle. If you have not decided, please select your preferred destination. Okay, so in our case, we are selecting Australia. Which best describe your current situation? So let's say student university. Why you are taking PT academic? Say study, Canada, nursing, Australia, post study, Australia, temporary work visa. Likewise, so here I would say study. Then if you're taking PT academic for study, which level you are applied for? Then ask which level. Let's say doctor, postgraduate degree, masters, or undergraduate. Let's say undergraduate. Okay. Then which field you are studying for? Let's say engineering. Okay, you have to select all these according to your requirements. Then let's say next one. Okay. Mission policy. Okay, it gives you all the details that you need to comply. So read these very carefully. I'm not gonna go by each and one of each of these points. So just read carefully. So it says on text day you have to bring your passport and all that. So you can read it by yourself. Be on time and all that. And so I just brief on this part only. It's about cancellation. So basically, after booking, after confirming and doing the payment, to confirm you have to do the payment. Okay, then it will confirm your booking. So if still you can change the date. So if you want to change the date before 14 days to the exam date, they will give you 100% refund. Okay. If you want to change between 14 and 8 days, they will give you 50% refund. But if you want to change your date 7 days before, lesser number of days before, they will not give you any refund. Okay, so be very specific when you are selecting the date, because if you want to change after it's getting very close to the exam, you will not get any refund. Okay, then press I agree. Okay, then it gives all the information about your exam booking. You have to check is everything correct. Proceed to complete your order. Then check everything again, time, date, check everything again. Okay, here also then you can change appointment. You can go from the beginning. So check everything. If everything is okay, just press the next button. Okay, here you have to pay your exam fee. Okay, you have to pay your exam fee. Then when you pay your exam fee, it will here it will confirm your order, and it will send you a mail confirmation. Okay, so here if you want to buy some extra preparation material, it's also available. There are some mock test and all that. Some reading material, mock test, everything is given there. PT exam question bank is available. 300, they will give 300 factories question. Everything is available. You can just add to cart and do the checkout. So once you confirm the payment, they will send you confirmation. Okay, so this is how you want to book the exam. It's very easy, guys, but the thing is be very specific. Like don't do very simple mistakes, like don't do spelling mistakes while you are entering your name and your details. Likewise, so be very specific. It's very simple. Don't do any mistakes, otherwise they will not let you sit for the exam. Your money will be wasted, and you will have to be ready for the exam again and book the dates again. Okay, so that is it. Hope you guys have understand how to proceed how to book your exam. All the best, guys. All the best with PT.